Hello! Feeling ko dapat mas enthusiastic. Anyway, so yeah. Hi guys! So today is Sunday, October 1st, and I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video or like did something like this. Actually, 2 weeks pa lang naman. But yeah, I feel like that's long enough. Long enough for me to forget how to talk in front. But ayun. So yeah, today is Sunday, and today is Twice Day. Ay, hindi pala siya na-focus. Yeah, Twice Day. So, I've been a fan of Twice since 2018, I guess. Yeah. I mean before college pa, like senior high pa. I've already been exposed to like their music. And yun, I fell in love when I heard Like yata or What is Love. Or basta yun. Cheer Up pala yung first song nila nung time na yun. So yeah, ever since then, I became a fan. And in 2019, I was supposed to watch with my college friends. Pero naubusan kami ng ticket. So it's only like one out of like, yun lang sa friend group. Basta, it's only one person who was able to watch that time. So sabi ko, the next time Twice would have their concert in the Philippines, manonood na ako. And luckily, I was able to secure a good seat. Ang dami pang backstory with securing the ticket, but I'm not gonna focus on that. So yun, I'm just preparing, I'm just waiting for my siblings to finish kasi I'm gonna be watching with 2 of my siblings, with Macho, Pat, a friend from senior high, and with Kyle, friend from Bicol. So yeah, more of that stuff later. Like I'll be showing you guys the people I'm gonna go with. But for now, yun na muna. And I'm really excited, especially I'm gonna be wearing Sana. As my t-shirt. Normal t-shirt. Kasi, bumili kami ng t-shirt sa marketplace. And super last minute, as in clutch. Kasi we weren't really planning to buy anything na. Kaso, sabi naman, sayang naman, once in a lifetime. I mean, once in a while lang naman sila magko-concert. So, might as well like dress up for it. So yun, naghanap kami sa marketplace. And mabuti na lang, mabait yung nahanap kong seller. And sabi nila, habulin nila yung order namin. Kaso, hindi nga siya ma-deliver dito. We're gonna meet up with the seller doon sa mismong arena. So yeah, it's 12:15 in the afternoon. And sakto lang, we're gonna leave at 12:30. And probably arrive like after 2 hours. Mga 2 p.m. ganon. Or 2:30 ganon. Tama lang. We're gonna line up and like get food. So yeah, see you guys later. Hi guys, so it's 1:46 in the afternoon and we're in Bulacan na. Actually, nasa SLEX lang kami. Ay, SLEX. NLEX. We just made a stop kasi sa Petron kasi bibili ng food sina Kyle and sina Macho and my siblings. Kasi we haven't eaten lunch. We haven't eaten dinner. We haven't eaten lunch yet. So yeah, we made a stop muna sa Petron. Also, I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Dane because she lent me her candy bong. I was actually supposed to buy, kaso sabi ni Macho wag na kasi meron naman na siya. Tapos parang when I was seeing like all the stories from yesterday, yung day 1 ng concert, nainggit ako. So sabi ko, shit, gusto ko ng candy bong. Then I saw like posts parang selling. Bibilin ko na sana kaso I was kind of hesitant kasi baka nga scam or like may defect or something. So yun, nakita ko yung story ni Dane na meron siyang candy bong and I messaged her and she was kind enough naman to lend me. Kaya I'm super happy. Yeah, thank you, Dane. I'm gonna turn it on. See? I don't know if you see it, but like it's turned on. So yeah, I'm so excited to use this and like sing along with the people with their candy bongs. I'm gonna turn it off kasi sayang ng battery. Tala pa siya i-off. Alam mo mamaya. But ayun. So yeah, after this we're gonna go straight to PH Arena and park and like get our shirts and line up na because Pat is also there.
We're here right now sa Philippine Arena to enjoy Twice concert. Looking in na napakainit.
Jelly jelly, oh jelly jelly, oh jelly jelly, oh my boy, oh jelly jelly, oh jelly.
Feeling ko tapos na yung concert dahil pagod na.
Tsaka ano po, 4 po yung sabi namin na manonood, pero totoo lang po yung ticket namin. So, paano makakapasok?
Okay na.
Yun yung tanong, paano makakapasok?
Iba kasi yung entrance ko kasi medyo VIP.
Hindi kayo babad kay Cheong,
Okay.
si Charyong.
Uy! Cheol? Maduyo. Kapuya ko ni pasok.
Gaya-gaya ka. Gaya-gaya ka.
Wala pang button.
Thank you, Dane Chavez. Sige na Monde, sige na Monde. Yeah. It's in your bag.
So guys, time check. 6:31.
Tapos bawal yung camera, kaya naka-phone na lang.
Pero asan yung camera mo?
Secret.
Nakapasok siya guys. Kahit bawal yung camera. So, if ever man may makakita nitong security, please, tawag na lang Martin Felbon.
Row 25, LBA po, seat number 9697.
Uy, ikaw lang din, 97.
live band for the first time this tour. Please give them a big hand for their amazing performance. Kim Jin-hyun, Park Dong-il, Im Seung-gyu, and Kim Ja-young. Thank you. I choose this song called Try. This song is about you don't have to try so hard, you don't have to change a single thing because you are precious enough just the way you are. 혜림이 원스들의 함성 소리가 너무 커가지고 어떻게 해서든지 보답을 하고 싶은 거예요.
The screams of the fellow onces are so loud that I want to repay you in any way that I can.
그래서 제가 피아노를 칠 때 카메라를 볼 수가 없거든요.
So whenever I play the piano, I cannot look at the camera.
근데 마지막에 원스들한테 감사한 마음을 담아서 굉장한 행복한 미소를 지어 보냈는데 여러분 느끼셨나요?
But at the last part, I filled my heart with gratitude and showed you my thankful smile. Did you see it?
사랑하고
저는 조아리파의 멜로스라는 곡으로 무대를 했는데요.
I performed Dua Lipa's New Rules.
저는 아리아나 그란데의 세븐링스라는 노래로 무대를 해봤는데요.
So I performed the stage of Ariana Grande's Seven Rings.
Okay, ready to be?
Three, two, one,
대박이다.